Hey, Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal. And today we have a Skirfy pottery wheel. Are you ready? Okay.
Okay.
So let's open it up. See everything. Yeah, see everything we get. Whoa. There's so much stuff in here. My goodness. Okay, hang it. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Okay. So that is your spray bottle to keep everything on the moist side. And these are packages of the clay or the mud.
Okay.
So this is the pottery wheel and accessories.
Mm-hmm.
So that's painting. That's for when we're done. Is that another mud one? Here. Put these over there by you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So the wheel goes on top like this.
Help.
And then it has some legs, I think, that we put on it.
Here. Roll.
Oh, here are the legs. Yep. I'll show you how that works in a second. Uh-oh. Hang on, I got it. Okay, we got it. Okay, so here's the legs.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a lot of... That's it. Nope, hang on. We'll flip this upside down. So these go... They go like that. Mm-hmm. Yep, almost, yeah. Are you gonna get dirty?
This.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so looks like the legs go like that. And I think there's some, oh, yep. So here's some little adhesive grip things that we can put on the bottom so it don't move, right? Right? Does that look good?
This.
Yeah. Okay, that's gonna be our pedal that gets that. I think it goes and then it stops when we push on the pedal.
This.
Yep, hang on. Look at it. Okay, so that's how that looks. Let's get the pedal. And I'll keep the pedal up here for now and I'll show you how that works. Okay, now it has a USB cable. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it comes with a USB cord. And it does not come with a charging block, but you can use pretty much anything that you have from like a cell phone or outlets have. Some outlets have.
Hey.
Okay. Yep, thank you.
You do.
So I have a spare block here that we'll put in. And then when you plug it in, here, watch, be careful. Watch how I'm going to plug that in. And then when we turn it on, it will spin. And then when you step on that pedal, it'll stop it. So, right, you got it. Okay, so let's get, it has a included smock, I believe. Hang on, I have it off. We gotta, wait, hang on, we gotta put a smock on. And this is always super plastic, so we gotta get our handy dandy Leatherman out to open it up. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this over you. Okay, smart. Put your arms down. Okay, let me tie this behind you.
Daddy.
Okay, that's your smock. Are you ready? Okay.
Okay. Open.
So I'm going to keep this up here on top of the table for easy purposes. Open. And there's something to, there's a bunch of different accessories in here. I thought there was a cutting, two cutting pieces. Oh, here we go. Get some of these other accessories out here real quick.
Yeah.
And then this is going to be what we use to cut it off the table. You stole the table. All right. So that's somebody off camera to help me tie that. Okay. Ready? Let's get this up. Okay, hang on. We're almost there.
Open.
Yeah, we're going to open it. Oh, hang on.
The light. The light.
Oh. And then here is a kind of like a light up accessory. So it has a battery. So you pull that out and then that will turn that on for you. Kind of give you a light that you can put on here as well. I think that goes like that to kind of give you some light. Yep, there you go. Okay, are you ready? We're gonna open one of these. Okay. So we're gonna open up the clay.
Okay.
Clay, can you say clay?
Okay.
Clay. Yeah, no, hang on.
Mama, help. This.
Okay, so here is the clay. Okay, here, you ready?
Daddy.
Wanna mold it? I think we can add some water.
Or
Oops, that might be too much water.
pizza. Turn.
Here, you wanna, not turn yet.
Up.
I know it's off. Here, you wanna squish it? Good, squish it.
Yeah.
Here, okay.
Ah.
Now you're dirty.
Dirty.
Okay, so what we do is we put it onto the pottery wheel.
There.
Oh, hang on. Spray it some more, I think. Help it stay sticky on there. Okay, now we'll turn it on.
Help.
I think we gotta stick it down here
Go.
somewhere. Now hang on, let's add some more water to this to really get it kind of going. Okay, hang on, let's turn it on. Okay, ready? Right, that stops it. You want to spray some? Then we just kind of like let that go around.
Ready?
Ready? Go ahead, spray it. And start making a hole in the bottom. I think that's faster. You want to try this? Put your hands on it. Smooth it. You just want to smooth it. Yeah, you're dirty now.
There.
You ready?
Oh, dirty.
You're dirty.
Dirty.
Okay, I think we got to turn this more into a round before we get on there.
Daddy.
Okay, wait, stop. You're supposed to do that.
Hey.
Okay, here we go. Wait. not sticking. Is it too wet?
Do you want me to set it?
Car.
Bowl.
Yeah.
A ball, and then put a thumb
Yeah.
in to make it so it's easier to
You
get.
gotta make a smooth.
Okay,
round
give me
ball.
some squirts.
Squirt.
Squirt. Give me some water. Give me some water.
Or.
Yep. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Good.
Sure.
All right. So you got to make sure you knead it really good. No, not yet.
Yay.
Not yet. Here, give me some more water. Squirt. Give me some more. A little bit more. 2 hands. There you go. Okay, let's try that.
Okay.
No more in there. Okay, ready. Here, give
Water.
me some more water. Okay,
Okay.
good job.
Go. Go.
Okay. Let's try to turn it more into a ball. So it's round. You want to make a bowl?
Well.
Okay. Let's stick it to that. Okay, ready? Okay.
Well. Water.
Try to get it centered. Okay, spray some water. Okay.
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 Yes.
Okay, wait, let's get the stick better. Why is it not sticking good? Okay, ready? Okay. A little more water. Then we'll start making the center of the bowl. Okay, that's good. I think we're good. Okay.
Better.
Better. Yep. Hang on.
Yes. Car.
No, I might need some more water.
Or.
More water. Go ahead.
Okay.
Okay.
There. Car.
No, not yet. You want to try? Put your hands in there. Yep. Okay. I kind of like squeeze it. I'm not sure what kind of bowl we're going to get out of here, but we're going to do our best. Okay. I guess keeping this wet is probably key to. It's kind of round.
Better.
It's getting there. Are you helping?
Better.
Here, give me some more water. You're my like water boy. Okay, that might be good. You're doing a good job.
Water.
I know it's water. You're doing a good job.
This.
Okay, so I guess like keeping it wet is going to be like the key, or you can stop it. Go ahead, you can stop it. You push them. Good, so that works. Okay. Here, give me some more water. Are you spraying me or the bowl? Here, give me some more in the bowl. Okay, so we're gonna work on getting this a little more rounder, and we'll okay, that's it. We'll be back. Wow. Okay, so I had to call in an expert, my daughter, to get this basically going, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this from the base. Oops. And then we're gonna preserve the shape a little bit. And then we're gonna put this out in the sun to dry for a little bit. And then we'll cut it off the base.
Water.
Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so we got it sitting out here in the sun. We're gonna let that dry out a little bit. So we kind of made it a little bit better. Not too bad for our first attempt. Okay, so we're actually gonna cut this off because we've left it dry a little bit. I mean, not a masterpiece, but we're working on it.
Hey, put that nibby thing in one of these, maybe? No? Doesn't fit? Okay, sorry.
Kind of had it over here. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
So there we go. So we can let that dry a little bit further. And we'll let that sit out in the sun a little bit longer and let that dry down. Okay, so we let it bake in the sun for a couple hours and we're ready for painting. We're not sure about this process, but we're going for it. Ready? Want to put some paint on there for you? Mm-hmm. What color? You want purple?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No. Okay. It's okay. Go ahead. Paint. So I'm gonna use some orange, okay? And then make some stripes up on the side. You're doing good.
Whoa.
Whoa. Here, let's turn it a little bit. How's that?
Just
Yes. Okay, let's turn it some more. So we're doing good.
red.
You want red? Oh, hang on. Let's mix it in the water first. Let's clean your brush. Okay. Here. There's red.
Red.
I'll still do some more orange. Okay. Anyway, Brian and Aiden from Crash Hall. Thanks for watching and be safe out there. Oh, that's it. Okay, say bye to everybody. Say bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Wave. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, what color do you want?
Pepe.
That's purple, yeah.
Oh.
Uh-oh.